Serena Hotels host high-profile awareness event on breast cancer. Our sustained and continuous efforts of raising awareness regarding breast cancer are yielding results, as women in far-flung areas of the country are becoming aware of the deadliness of breast cancer, since a rise in early-stage breast cancer detection is being reported in healthcare centers all over Pakistan. These remarks were expressed by the Honourable First Lady of Pakistan, Begum Samina Alvi, an active advocate for breast cancer awareness during her keynote address at a high-profile panel discussion on breast cancer awareness hosted by Serena Hotels under the banner of Raabta, a public diplomacy initiative. Raabta is curated by renowned broadcast journalist Sidra Iqbal and uses the convening power of Serena Hotels to bring thought leaders, policymakers, experts, and the civil society together to advance debate and curate knowledge about important socio-economic topics. The experts on the panel included Dr. Aisha Ihsani Majid, Head of Radiology Department and in charge Federal Breast Cancer Screening Center at Pakistan Institute for Medical Sciences, PIMS, Dr. Raabta K. Sattar, Head of Breast Surgery at the Aga Khan University Hospital, Karachi, Ms. Shiri Gheba, an author, blogger, painter, and a cancer survivor diagnosed in 2021, who is now cancer-free, and Mr. Aizaz Chaudhry, the Director of Institute of Strategic Studies, former Secretary of Pakistan, who is also a male survivor of breast cancer. With 2.3 million diagnoses in 2020, breast cancer is the most common cancer in women and the second most common cause of cancer-related deaths in women worldwide. Pakistan has highest prevalence of breast cancer in Asia, with 1 out of 6 women expected to be diagnosed with the disease at some point in their lives. The Honourable First Lady appreciated the efforts of Serena Hotels for annually organizing awareness sessions for the public through the utilization of Raabta platform, as it has a valuable outreach and the discussion of the expert and cancer warriors is indeed an inspiration for all. Sidra Iqbal remarked that with 90,000 women being diagnosed with breast cancer every year and the high death rate from the disease indicates a dire need to break the cultural and traditional barriers to disease prevention and cure. Dr. Aisha Ihsani Majid stressed that yearly mammograms for women over 40 and regular breast self-examinations should become a part of women's self-care routine. She informed that the Federal Breast Cancer Screening Center at PIMS is the first public sector facility in Islamabad which offers initial screening and detection, biopsy, ultrasound, and mammography to patients under one ceiling, and was built to facilitate the growing demand of patients, especially those unable to afford the cost of private hospitals. Dr. Ihsani also spoke the need to create support groups for those suffering from the disease, as the willpower to fight the disease played a major role in the recovery. Mr. Aizaz Chaudhry said that there was a need to target men in awareness campaigns by distributing pamphlets and informational material. Sharing his personal experience, he said he faced a delay in diagnosis due to the ignorance related to the prevalence of male breast cancer. Dr. Raabta K. Sattar from the Aga Khan University Hospital said that the disease is often hereditary and has nothing to do with the character of a woman as surmised by some ignorant segments. She urged measures for early detection as it has the biggest weapon towards the eradication of the disease. Dr. Abida shared that there is a IVF fertility treatment now available for women whose fertility might be adversely affected by chemotherapy. Ms. Shiri Gheba, an author, blogger, artist, and a cancer warrior who was diagnosed in May of 2021 and has since completed her treatment and is now cancer-free. While avoiding the C word of COVID in our lives, I ended up with the C word of cancer. Serena Hotels is an advocate for discussion and discourse on important topics that affect society under organizational public diplomacy initiative. Meera Malik with Tazeen Akhtar for Pakistan in the World, Islamabad.